Okay, we are looking at the S&P 500. And this week we are approaching the 78.6 as well from a major swing high to low. This was the swing high from August, and swing low happened in October. So a big swing down. This was the last major swing we had, and now we've corrected almost 78% of that move. And that's where we like to come in and look for, at least a one-to-one opportunity. But ultimately, we could start to see this thing move down a whole nother leg if that's what the macro's really trying to do. You can see it has put in lower lows all throughout. So we're coming right into this trend line, right into this major zone. This is a macro move that could take place, big swing opportunity. Now, I like to get some lower time frame confirmations to really get in there and try to get a good position on this. So let's go into the 4-hour and see what we're looking at. And there is some divergence right here, but then it looks like the momentum has kind of popped out from that. I do see the little bit of divergence there from this swing to here. So momentum is starting to fall out. I see that, yes. The 78.6 is just right here. It would be kind of like faking out the trend line and then coming back in. So if we see a sharp move like that at any point this week, we should have a pretty good idea of where the market wants to go. But for now, what I would really like to see for this 78.6 confirmation to hold, because ultimately, these swing positions don't happen too often, just like gold. They don't happen too often. So a limit order is okay right here. I will probably have a limit order here as long as the confirmations are still there. Right now, what I really want to see is I want to see this obviously get up to the 78.6, and I want to see the momentum. The momentum will follow it, and there should be a divergence in momentum here. So we should see price make a higher high, but the momentum here not create that higher high, and that will be the confirmation that we need to see for this to even have a chance. Because if this is still popping out new momentum, what this is going to do is just come up here, barely correct, and then bow, give another move out, and most likely run the stop. It does have the reversal pattern look to it. So we are getting this channel in a way, broadening channel, however you want to look at it, right? These are a little subjective how you can draw them, but still a nice reversal pattern, a nice opportunity that we'll be looking for on the S&P. If we do not break structure, number one, it's not going to work out throughout the rest of the week. And number two, if it doesn't give this type of manipulation divergence move, it's not going to work out either. So we need to see it kind of move up. We need to see there be divergence with that move up, and we need to see kind of move down pretty quickly, showing that there was no more interest. We do have bears coming in now. We would like to see high volume on the move down, low volume on the move up, saying fake move up, real move down. Okay. If it starts to break structure before then and it starts to move down here, obviously, and break this, then we could talk about the bears before the 78.6 even gets hit. But for now, there is still this big area of demand that price is going to have to face once it gets there. And it might be an opportunity to look for buys if you're bullish.